we're going to move on to our next ingredient, and that is the shallots, or if you're French, you would say shallot. But we're just going to call it a shallot tonight. Why are we using shallot? Why not onion? I want you to use shallot because you guys don't buy shallots enough. Nobody buys shallots enough. A little tiny bag I bought today, half a pound, was $6. Like, oh my goodness, you know how many onions I could buy for $6? What is this Chef Des guy doing to me, right? If I get you guys to buy shallots, and every time you buy a sack of onions, I want you to buy 1 shallot, because then the demand for shallots will go up. Eventually production will go up, and eventually price will come down on shallots. I talked to a farmer here in the Fraser Valley. Do you need special ground to grow shallots? You need a special climate? No, we can grow them right here with our onions. Why don't we? Because the demand is not there. So it takes a lot of resources to harvest that little tiny bit of shallots, and that's why the price is so high. So if we all just join together, join our wallets together and buy shallots regularly, guess what? Eventually the price is going to come down. That's what I'm counting on. So please buy your shallots. And shallots are great in sandwiches and salads, in raw applications like that. They're fantastic. Delicate cream sauces like a beurre blanc. It calls for shallot, not onion, right? So just start working with them. They're great.